RepairSolutionsPRO provides a solution sourced from thousands of ASE-certified technicians who have experienced the same fault you're encountering. This diagnostic information is provided to you here. While the verified fix solves most cases, these do not always solve every diagnostic situation. When this occurs, select No for alternative fixes. Then tell us what you did to solve this fault. If you don't see what fixed the car, you can enter your own solution. Your experience and expertise matters. And don't forget to give us a yes if the provided fix solves your problem. In instances where RepairSolutionsPRO does not provide a fix for a MIL DTC, should you possess a fix for this vehicle's MIL DTC, you can help contribute by selecting the Yes, I have a fix button, and select the option in the Fix text box on the What Fixed the Car page. Together, we're improving the accuracy of fixes based on real-world practice. Thank you for your submission.